MyLeadBiz offers a affiliate program that rewards users 50 cents for every new referral. That's for people on the free package, and you can even upgrade to receive $1 for every referral you bring. So welcome to MyLeadBiz.com. I just stumbled across this one and I would like us to have a look briefly if it's something we can jump into. It says turn free signups into real commissions. MyLead's affiliate program. So you join free today and you start earning $0.5, that's 50 cents per referral, or you can upgrade for just $14 per month and earn $1 per referral plus 50% on every pro upgrade. So anytime your referrals upgrade by purchasing a package of $14 per month, you receive 50%. That's $7, right? So sounds cool, right? Well, I do not own this platform, and here goes my disclaimer. This video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert. I just stumbled across it and I've decided to give it a look since I'm seeing free, right? So the reason why I'm making this video is because of this free that I'm seeing here. Join free and start earning. Now let's scroll through and see other information. So fast approval and clean step-by-step getting started flow. Okay, that's what someone is saying. A vision built on simplicity, fairness, and real growth. That's cool. Why affiliates love MyLeadBiz? Access built-in traffic. Yes, in addition to the 50 cent or $1 sign-up bonus, they also have built-in traffic options. No need to search elsewhere. Reliable payouts twice every month, 1st and 16th, and their payout method is PayPal, and minimum payout is $30. Unlock your earning potential with MyLeadBiz. So if at this point you want to sign up, of course, you click on the join now button. They also have a video, a tutorial explaining how the platform works in a very concise summary. So let's click on join now. At least it doesn't hurt to join. If it's not something you can do, you're not investing immediately, right? So look well. If you want to invest, look well and be responsible for the action taken. Create your account. Don't forget to verify your email after submitting the form. So you choose a username, you input your email address, you enter your first name, your last name, you choose a password, you confirm it, you select your country where you're located, and you check this box to accept terms and conditions, and you click on sign up. So thank you for joining. Verify your email. So you go check your inbox and you find a link. So this is the link. Click here to confirm. Your subscription is confirmed. Thank you. You will now receive valuable updates, tips, and so on and so forth. So I'm seeing affiliate login, homepage, step-by-step guide, helpful tips. You don't see our emails, check your spam folder. Well, ready to start earning, log in to your affiliate portal, then go to marketing and copy your affiliate link. There's a free ebook here you might want to download to get a mastery on how the affiliate marketing works. You can simply open it from the email, or you can come back here, click on the menu here, you click on login. Alright, so I've logged in and here is my dashboard. No earnings yet. Everything is zero. Paid referrals, total referrals, and paid referrals, everything is zero. My earnings in the last 30 days, zero, just as expected. So this is my rank starter affiliate. I just joined, right? So let's click on referrals here. You will see all your rewards and commissions that will be received based on your activities. That's your affiliate campaign to earn commission. Marketing. So under marketing, you can find your affiliate links. This is your link, right? So you copy this and share. Your unique identifier will be used for tracking new leads, right? The tracking code is your username, affiliate link generator. So if you like to add your own affiliate links with a different URL, follow this structure. Simply take the following URL and create a custom affiliate link, right? If you want a custom affiliate link, you go with that, you generate it. If you don't, this is fine, right? So when you hit the withdrawal threshold of $30, you can make a withdrawal. Let's click on payment here. So I haven't made any payment yet. You can set up change your payout details form. Alright, so you can submit your payout information here. So the payment method is PayPal, payment by direct deposit. So you submit your PayPal email address here, and then when you're ready, you can withdraw. So that's basically what the MyLeadBiz affiliate program is about. I haven't made any withdrawal yet. I guess that's the key metric we use in measuring the legitimacy of a platform. So I haven't attained that yet, so I can't tell you boldly that this platform is legit and paying, right? Until I hit the withdrawal threshold. Let's just try it for the sake of it. So if you want to upgrade, I'm saying it for the umpteenth time, you'll be doing that at your own risk, and I shall have nothing to do with that. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.